Hello everyone! Welcome to English 7 class. I am Teacher Adam and it's my joy to help you learn today. For first quarter, our topics will be all about the 8 parts of speech. For sure, you already learned these topics in your grade school years, so our discussion will just be like a review. However, our goal is for you to master the topics in preparation for your future tasks in this subject. Our discussion of the 8 parts of speech will begin today, and our first lesson is nouns. So what are we going to learn today? First, we will define nouns. Then, we will enumerate the different types of nouns. Lastly, we will talk about the different functions of nouns. Let's start!
Noun is defined as a word or a name used to identify a person, a place, an object, an idea, and more. In this image alone, you can already identify a lot of nouns. For example, for person, boy. Or if this boy has a name, let's say Alex. For place, room. For object, book or computer, or it can also be as specific as iMac. Can you give your own examples? I am sure you can spot more nouns. You can pause this video and practice.
As we continue, understanding the different types of nouns and what they are used for will help you put them in your sentences correctly. Here are the different types of nouns.
Common nouns, proper nouns, count nouns, non-count nouns, concrete nouns, abstract nouns, and collective nouns. Common nouns are general or everyday names. Proper nouns, on the other hand, are particular or specific names.
Computer is a common noun. iMac is a proper noun. School is a common noun. GCF, International Christian School, is a proper noun. Teacher is a common noun. Teacher Adam is a proper noun. So please don't forget my name, okay? Remember, proper nouns always begin with a capital letter, not unless they are brands that intentionally start their names with a lowercase letter, like an iMac or an iPhone.
Next, we have count and non-count nouns. From the term themselves, count nouns can be counted using numbers, while non-count nouns cannot be. To differentiate the two from each other, observe this table. count nouns have singular and plural forms, like dog to dogs, brush to brushes, and man to men. Non-count nouns do not have a plural form, like tea, water, and rice. Count nouns answer the question, how many? While non-count nouns answer, how much?
Reminder: to express the quantity of non-count nouns, use expressions like some, a lot of, much, a bit of, or any exact measurement. Examples: a cup of tea, a glass of water, or a sack of rice.
Now we have concrete and abstract nouns. Concrete nouns are perceived by senses.
They are the names of what you can see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. Abstract nouns, on the other hand, are intangible. They cannot be perceived by senses. They can be names of events, ideas, states of mind, and qualities.
To name some examples, kitten, pizza, and thunder are all concrete nouns, while love, hope, and anger are all abstract nouns. It is possible for you to spot both concrete and abstract nouns in just one sentence, like in this one. It is important to show kindness to people. Kindness is an abstract noun, while people is a concrete noun.
Lastly, we have collective nouns. They are names used for groups of people, places, objects, and animals. Kindly read and take note of the following examples.
Reminder, a collective noun is considered singular if all of its members act as one unit. It is considered plural if its members act as separate units. Notice the following sample sentences.
The class wants to hold a party at a beach resort. The members of the class all agree to hold a party at a beach resort. They act as one unit, therefore, the collective noun class is considered singular. The class expressed different opinions. Since the members of the class have different opinions, this means they act as separate units. Therefore, the collective noun class is considered plural.
Nouns function in different ways. In a sentence, it may function as a subject, subject complement, direct object, indirect object, appositive, object of the preposition, or a direct address. Let's find out how these functions differ from each other.
A noun functions as a subject if it is the one being described or being talked about in a sentence, or if it is the doer of the action. The students went on a field trip. Peter and John are joining the debate club. Students, Peter, and John are nouns that function as subject. A noun functions as a subject complement if it completes the meaning of a predicate that comes after the linking verb. Andrew is a musician. Musician is a noun that complements Andrew, and it comes after the linking verb is. Grade 7 students were all contest winners. Winners is a noun that complements students, and it comes after the linking verb were. A noun functions as direct object if it receives the action in the sentence and answers the question what or who or whom. Sarah slapped Luke yesterday at the hallway. Who did Sarah slap? Luke. Luke receives the action slapped, therefore Luke functions as direct object. Matthew composed the song. What did Matthew compose? Song. Song receives the action composed, therefore song functions as direct object. A noun functions as indirect object if it answers the question to whom or to what, or for whom or for what. It does not receive the action in the sentence. Mark sent his mother a package. To whom did Mark send a package? Mother. Therefore, mother functions as indirect object. The orphans wrote their donors thank you letters. For whom did the orphans write thank you letters? Donors. Therefore, donors functions as indirect object. A noun functions as an appositive if it gives details about another noun and is enclosed in commas. My hometown, Manchester, is known for its football team.
Manchester gives details about the hometown. Therefore, it functions as an appositive. The principal, Mr. Johnson, is sick. Mr. Johnson gives details about the principal. Therefore, it functions as an appositive. A noun functions as an object of the preposition when it follows a preposition. John left his car keys on the table. Table is a noun that comes after the preposition on. Therefore, it functions as an object of the preposition. You can get to the beach the quickest way by speedboat. Beach is a noun that comes after the preposition to. Speedboat is another noun that comes after the preposition by. Therefore, beach and speedboat are both functioning as object of the preposition. A noun functions as a direct address if it is used when speaking directly to a person or if it gives people's names and titles set off by commas. Thomas, kindly fix your bed before you leave your room. I don't know, Grandma, if I can make it to your party. Thomas and Grandma both function as direct address. Names are important. They don't just identify people, places, objects, and others. They also make you unique. In Genesis 2:20, even God showed the importance of names, as his first task to man was to give his creations names. As it says, "So the man gave names to all the livestock, the birds in the sky, and all the wild animals." Genesis 2:20. So, be grateful for names. Be grateful for nouns.
That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If there are parts of the discussion that are unclear to you, you have the choice to watch this video again, or you may take note of your questions and I will answer them on our live session. Before I say goodbye, let me acknowledge and thank the sources that made this learning material possible. It's a wrap. Once again, thank you, God bless, stay safe, till I see you again. This is Teacher Adam, signing off. Bye!